I'll play it for you.
Yeah,
I'll sit on the wall or whatever, bro.
I love music, so I love it all.
You love music? So I wrote this song, and let me tell you the backstory real quick.
Okay.
When I joined the military back in the 70s, families could walk all the way to the tarmac and wave goodbye as you walked and boarded the, in this case, Pan American Airlines. And when I looked behind, the light behind my family, there was about, I don't know, maybe about a dozen or two people waving me goodbye. Because back then, when a person leaves to go to the mainland, in this case for basic training, families come out and wave, not realizing that some of those shadows will no longer be there as time goes on. Joined the military, got out of the army, did some adventures that I shared with Mel here. So in the year 2000, now I'm living in Phoenix. My sister calls me. No, I was living in Aurora, Colorado, and I eventually moved to Phoenix. She says, Mom went home to the Lord. So I grabbed my cold glass of refreshments, beer. I go outside because I was visiting my cousin in Glendale, Arizona. I put the tailgate down, I put my cold drink down, I laid down, and I looked up, had this amber moon, full moon, and I swear the islands of Hawaii was cascading over its surface. So I've been writing this song since out of high school. And in Hawaii, when your parents give you a carnation lei, especially a red one, which is very pricey, you know it's a meaningful gesture of love. And matter of fact, that's what I was wearing when I joined the army, and I seen those silhouettes. And the title of this song, now you know the backstory, but whenever I do it at festivals, whenever somebody requests, I dedicate it to the men and women of the U.S. Armed Forces around the world for the freedom that we enjoy. It's called Moon Over Arizona.
You guys come over. This is like daughter and daughter-in-law right here.
Can you hear?
Yes. Come over here. This is my daughter
Aloha, ladies.
and daughter-in-law.
I know you. What's your last name?
Alfred.
Maybe I don't know you. I was just playing a original song to your mother-in-law called Moon Over Arizona. Across the miles, I left my true love. Find the answers on the road. The full bag, a red carnation lay. Words of wisdom I was told. Now I live across the ocean, and my life's been good, you see. It's an original song, but I yearn for the sweet aloha. I hear the island calling me, but the moon over Arizona shines its love across the sea. And the moon over Arizona lights a path from you to me. If I could fly, I'll shorten it, on the wings of a dove, I would send my love to you. I had laughter as a boy, and I had dreams. All my wishes would come true. The morning sunrise, the golden sunsets, I can see the smiles of family. But I yearn for the sweet aloha. I hear the island calling me, but the moon over Arizona shines its love across the sea. And the moon over Arizona lights a path from you to me. Lights a path from you to me. Dedicated to the men and the women across the world in the armed forces. Come home safely, we miss you. And this is for you, my